Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I finally have an eyeshadow tutorial, so if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I'm priming my eyelids with the Lozano makeup base in shade 2, and I'm just using a Morphe fluffy brush to apply that all over. I'm also going to be using the Lozano, I hope I'm saying that right, eyeshadow palette. And I'm just picking up this white shade and applying that all over my lid, and I'm using this brush from Coastal Scents. I'm going to be using this warm shade right here for transition, and I'm using the Morphe Y16 brush, and I just start in the middle and just work my way up so it looks more blended. I'm going to be using this orange shade using the Morphe M513 brush, and I'm just applying that underneath the transition color. And I just keep blending until there's no more harsh lines, and I'm going back to the Morphe Y16 brush to blend those two colors together. I'm picking up this pink shade and I'm using the Morphe M519 brush and just applying that under the orange eyeshadow. So I'm just going to keep building that pink eyeshadow and blend at the same time. And keep in mind, look how I'm applying it and blending it. I'm doing like feathered motions just so everything looks nice and blended. And I'm just going back with my previous brushes and just blending all the colors together. I'm going to be using these two darker tones with a small blending brush. This one is from LUXIE. It's the 231 small blending brush. And I'm just adding more dimension to the eyeshadow look. Again, I'm going back with my previous brushes. So this was the M519 Morphe brush, and then I'm going back to the M513 brush just so everything's nice and blended and you can see all the colors. Using a flat concealer brush, this one's the Morphe M170, I'm going to carve out my lid and I'm using the same base. Once that's done, I'm just going to set it with the white eyeshadow, and I'm just using a flat brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to be applying a wing eyeliner, and I'm using this NYX eyeliner. And the brush I'm using, I believe it's from Amazon. It's just a regular eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to be cleaning up the edges with some concealer. This one's from MAC. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend out the edges just so there's no harsh lines. I'm going to be applying this liquid eyeshadow from Pixie. I really like these applicators because it makes it easier to apply, not like loose glitters. It just can get really messy. Please don't mind my nasty chipping nails, but I'm using Dodo lashes in the style D312, and I'm also applying the NYX Wonder Pencil in the waterline. I'm going to be adding the orange eyeshadow on the lower lash line. I'm using this fluffy angled brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics. It came in one of the nude sets. If you guys are looking for good, inexpensive brushes, definitely check out BH Cosmetics. They have a lot of sets. I'm going to be adding this color on the lash line using a small flat brush. This one is from Coastal Scents. It's also from a set. You can find it on Amazon. It's really cheap. I think it's like $24 and it comes with about 30 brushes. For the inner corners, I'm going to be using this eye tint from NYX Cosmetics. And on top of that, I'm going to be adding this eyeshadow from the Pluise palette just to add that extra glow. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Bye!